Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to make your YouTube subscriptions private. This way, no one will be able to see when you subscribe to someone's YouTube channel, which can help protect your privacy. Let's jump right into it. First, open the YouTube app. Then tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, click on View Channel next to your channel name. Next, locate pencil icon. Click on it to proceed. Among the account settings, you will find the Keep All My Subscriptions Private option. Simply toggle the switch to on. Now your subscriptions are private, giving you more control over your YouTube experience. This means when you subscribe to some YouTube channel, YouTube admins of that channel won't be notified for your subscription. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.